Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit the duration of photos on TikTok. So when you want to upload photos, you need to click this plus icon on the bottom center. Then you need to choose your gallery on the bottom right corner and just click photos. So here I can select multiple photos by ticking this select multiple. So I'm gonna select 3 photos and I click next. When I click next, as you can see, now I have this gallery swipe option. So I cannot change the duration of the photos. To be able to change the duration of the photos, we need to make this into a video. So what we need to do is go back and next to the photos choose one video and click next. And now it's gonna detect this as a video format because we have a video, and just click on this edit icon on the right side of the screen. And here you can click on the clips one by one and just choose the duration of all of the photos, which are basically now videos because it's automatic, as you can see. And you can just click on the video which it shows and just delete and click next and just continue with adding the description and the things you would like to add to your TikTok video. Alright, so all in all, this is how to edit duration of photos on TikTok. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.